Hey, this is Matt. Take a look at some of the progress, new items I've gotten. Take a look here. I got a another Tropicana car. I got this Lowenbrow car, Polliner cars, little short cars. And this is a 1933 catalog car. And it's really nice. It's got a big steam engine on one side. And it has the flying hamburger and a crocodile on the other. That's pretty cool. And then there's the number for that, 45904. And I got some of these Swiss transport cars. Take a look at them right here. Evergreen box. I think that's a Taiwanese shipping company. Goes all over the world. Hoyer car. And I got another one of these cars that have the it's like two cars connected by one. And then it's a new engine I got. I'm waiting for a while. I'll show that in a minute. It's a Roco Salzburg Ski Championship. Got these two Gottard panarama cars, and they are 43,652. And I have I just bought another Roco regular car to go with them. Let's start this engine up. Take a look at the engine. I'm doing it all myself here. I like the noise it makes when it starts. Brakes. It's got a lot of sound functions. It's kind of cool. I really like that. Run it really back way. It's a really attractive looking locomotive, and it's got the steer with the Austrian flag on the side. I just think that's really a nice locomotive. And what have I built? I've built a ramp to go up to a second level. Goes around there into a helix kind of. Comes around here. Goes up a ramp. And then it's going to go into these switches here. And I'm waiting for... Here comes the Austrian again. I'm gonna ram into these cars here. Oh, the switch was on. I didn't even know. Kind of cool. And I'm going to build a platform between these two right in the air right here. And then I'm going to connect it to that other level. So I'll have one train that'll run on that second level in like a oval. It just has a slight grade to it, and then this side here that comes up will go out this way, and then I'm going to do another round back into a mountain. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to build all that, but that's the plan. So I'll have two main lines on the bottom of the train set for two trains, and then one train that goes on that switchback that you won't see probably. It'll be all inside. There's a switchback there. It comes up and it'll just keep going up. It'll go on the outside of this level that the Gottard two cars are on, and they'll come over here on the back of this city, maybe on the back of the little city, and then go across a bridge into the mountain and do another return loop. And you might see that visible on a little top mountain piece. I'd kind of like to take some of my buildings and make like a little city on top of a foam mountain maybe or something, where I can get in and out to access all these tracks. So I'm kind of playing with that. My last set I didn't leave enough space, so I'm really trying to leave a lot more space between the levels to make it so I can get to all the tracks, clean them, fix anything that's loose. And I really don't like the way these switches are here, so I have some fast switches, the wider switches coming for this right here, and also for that bridge platform that I'm going to build on the other side to hook the top level up. So that's my plan, at least. We'll see how far I get. And here's another good look at the Austrian engine. And I like these Tropicana juice cars. I believe, they still run these Tropicana. You see them once in a while down in Tampa. You go to New Jersey or New York or someplace from here in Florida. There's a view of those. These cars are really nice. I have some other ones that match really well, and I have 2 more sets of these propane tanks or gas tanks. I got 2 more of those cars over there in the collection. Well, thanks for watching. All the best from sunny Florida.